Hello, my name is Joe Abate, and today we're going to be discussing how to manually operate your Compass Pro. Though many of these features can be accessed through the app itself, we believe it's very important that you understand how to do this manually. So, let's get started. To get full benefits of the Compass Pro in use, you want to make sure you're connected to the app. To do this, open the Safeguard Equipment app and turn on your device. The Compass Pro will start strobing green LEDs. The device will then beep twice and you will see a Bluetooth icon on the Compass Pro button within the app, indicating that the device is connected. To turn your device on, simply press the center button. The Compass Pro device will display a white startup animation. A heartbeat light will display with a green or white light flashing every 5 to 6 seconds. To turn your device off, simply press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds until the Compass Pro device displays a shutdown animation. The Compass Pro device is designed to be worn on the underside brim of a hard hat directly in front of a user's face. This is to ensure peripheral awareness and maximum visibility of both voltage and current alerts. The Compass Pro device also comes with 2 sets of replaceable clips. There are 3 different ways that you can check the battery life of your Compass Pro device. The first can be seen after the startup animation when you first turn your unit on. It also appears after the unit wakes up from hibernation mode. What is hibernation mode? Hibernation happens if no motion, alerts, setting changes, or app activity is detected for 10 minutes. This is indicated by white lights fading in and out at both ends of the light bar. When your Compass Pro battery is low, it will blink every 30 minutes to remind you to charge it soon. It is important to note that a low battery life in this case is equal to about 1 day's worth of work in the field. To charge, plug it in by using the micro USB cord found in your Safeguard Equipment case. Once plugged in, one red LED will show, indicating that your device is charging. When the device is fully charged, there will be one green blinking light instead. During this charging process, you can always check your battery level by simply pressing that middle button. The battery level will also display when you're unplugging the Compass from your charging device. Finally, you can view your battery life at any time by visiting the Safeguard Equipment app and tapping your Compass Pro button. At the very top, in the center, next to your Bluetooth logo, you will see a percentage next to your Compass Pro device. To mute your Compass Pro device, quickly press the center button. The device will sound off twice to inform you that it has now been muted. And instead of giving you your normal voltage and current sensitivity alerts with sound, you'll instead have a flashing or strobing blue or red, depending on the field you're present in. The SOS countdown can be only muted in the app service settings in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. In doing so, by clicking this toggle, we can mute and silence our SOS countdown while still displaying our countdown lights. If you want to unmute your Compass Pro device, simply tap the center button once. You will hear the device sound off 3 times. This will indicate that you are back on and sensing. To manually change the voltage settings, press and hold the center button until the corner lights turn red. You are now in the voltage settings and can cycle through your sensitivity levels by clicking the center button. 1 red light will be your lowest sensitivity and a full 11 will be your highest. If the red lights strobe back and forth, then you have entered Smart Adaptive mode. To confirm the settings, press and hold the center button for 1 second. The corner lights will blink white, confirming that your setting has been saved. To manually change current settings, press and hold the center button until the corner lights turn blue. You are now in the current settings and can cycle through your sensitivity levels by clicking the center button. 1 blue light indicates your lowest setting, and again 11 is your highest. If your LEDs are blue and strobing back and forth, then you have entered current Smart Adaptive mode. If no blue lights are showing, you have turned off your current alerts completely. To confirm these settings, press and hold that center button for 1 second. The corner lights will blink white, confirming that your setting has been saved. You can also change sensitivities at any time by visiting the Safeguard Equipment app and selecting the Compass Pro icon. Here you can choose voltage or current and change sensitivity by toggling the bar below. You may be asking, what is Smart Adaptive Mode? Smart Adaptive Mode is designed for users working in environments where electric or magnetic fields may be present. When set to this mode, the Compass Pro can quickly adapt to the ambient fields within 4 seconds and pause alerts if the user is stationary or if the field strength does not change. If the user moves closer to the detected source, or if the electric field strength increases, alerts will begin again. If the user moves away from the energized source and the field strength is reduced for approximately 4 seconds, the Compass Pro device will readjust and regain sensitivity. While in Smart Adaptive Mode, the corner lights will flash red if the user is in a voltage field, or blue if they are in a current field. It is important to note that Smart Adaptive Mode alerts are based on ambient changes in electric or magnetic fields, not the proximity of the source. To enter Smart Adaptive Mode on the app, press the Compass Pro button and toggle Smart Adaptive located at the bottom of your screen. You can also enter Smart Adaptive Mode manually by changing your sensitivity settings on the device itself. You may have noticed the SOS button on your Compass Pro device. To trigger an alert manually, press and hold the SOS button for 5 seconds or until the orange light on the LED bar is completely full. The corner lights will flash orange and white, and you can now release the button. The emergency response team will be notified immediately. Unlike the other emergency SOS triggers, the SOS button does not have a 1-minute countdown. If the app isn't connected to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth when the SOS button is pressed, the corner lights will blink orange and you will hear an error tone. This tone plays every 2 seconds while the user holds the button. It is important to note that the SOS features are only available for users who are subscribed to the emergency service response. When your Compass Pro detects an emergency, a 60-second countdown will begin with an orange light that moves slowly across the LED bar. It is possible to cancel this SOS if it is a false alarm with either your unit or from your Safeguard Equipment app. When an emergency is detected, canceling the event is easy. All you have to do is hold the center button or the SOS button for a period of about 2 seconds. A green light will move across your LED bar and let you know when the alert has been canceled. Alternatively, I can enter my Safeguard Equipment app and choose to cancel the alert being sent out. If I wish to confirm the alert, I can either confirm it with the slider bar or wait for my timer to run to 0. Let's go ahead and confirm this. As the countdown completes, the compass will show a green progress bar informing us that the alert has been sent out. After the emergency is sent, the compass will flash the corner lights green to let you know that the emergency was successfully delivered to all crew members. If the emergency fails to send at this point, the corner lights will instead flash orange and play an error tone. If for some reason you are unable to cancel the false alarm in time, or perhaps later decide you do not need help, you can still cancel the emergency after it has already been sent out. This, however, can only be done from inside the app. The Compass Pro is equipped with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery that, when fully charged, will enable you to operate in the field for up to 5 days or 40+ work hours. The Compass Pro also has a battery-saving feature where it will enter a sleep mode after 2 hours of being in hibernation. To wake your unit back up, simply tap one of the buttons. Once the device has detected the location of the electrical source, the LED animation will change from proximity to directional. In directional mode, the LEDs sweep right or left, letting the user know what direction the source is located. The animation will stop once the field becomes balanced. If the field is balanced for more than 2 seconds, directional mode will automatically end and normal alerts will take place again. Thank you for joining me today. We look forward to you starting your journey with the Compass Pro. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video. You can also reach our sales team at safeguardequipment.com. Safeguard is committed to ensuring that you and your team has a total safety solution.